Today, we're going to be talking about a technique for stitching that's going to simplify your life and give you a better result. That's coming up. Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Reach. This is Weaver Leather Supply. Today, we're going to be talking about back stitching. Now, back stitching is not a complicated process. It's not hard to do, and it gives you better results, but it might be something that you've never thought about. Now, typically, if we're stitching something, we're going to use a technique like this, where we come out between the layers. That technique is fantastic if we're working with soft leathers, wear and tear, a lot of friction on it, like a wallet where you push in cards in and out, something like that. That technique is fantastic for that. But what if we're working with something like, I don't know, a knife sheath where the edge is going to have a really finely polished edge to it? We don't want that gap in the middle. What if we're working with something like that? Well, there's another technique that we can use called back stitching, and it looks like this. As we get to the end of the stitch line, we want to reverse course once we get to that last stitch, and then we want to make sure that we double up on maybe, 3 to 5 stitches. It depends on how much wear and tear the project you're working with is gonna have. The more you backstitch, the more secure it's gonna be. But once we get 3 to 5 different stitches that are double stitched, now we're gonna go back with our razor blade, cut them as close as we can, and hit them with some heat. A lighter is an easy way to do that. By doing this, we're locking the thread in place and we're getting a better result. We don't get that little bump in between the two pieces of leather, and it's a lot smoother, a lot cleaner. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, go make something amazing.